milsimjunkie.com, baby.
More people swinging around. You gotta know what's in that console. Okay. Come in, fire! Go! Go!
milsimjunkie.com, always having fun.
It's under the alley.
What?
If you're trying to lose weight, talk to the cameraman. Ninja Academy. 101.
What's up, brother?
Looking hella buff.
Oh, sun's out, guns out.
Sun's down, guns out. Alright guys, so I thought I'd take this 2 seconds here at the end to show you about a product that I've been using that I get asked about quite often. This is unique for me. So here's a 2-second little shout out. So when I go travel and stuff like that, I like to pack a lot of my gear and check it in or either ship it off. This is the Voodoo Tactical MOJO on wheels. That means on this side right here there's a wheel, and so then I can wheel it around the airport. In fact, as you can see from my Oklahoma trip, I still kept the baggage claim tag here. Inside of it fits a lot of my gear. There's MOLLE on the sides as well, 2 pouches here, up top here. Airport friendly, like I said. Here's my PC, my helmet, my belt rig. Clothes can fit in there. Toiletries can fit in there. A lot of things can fit in this thing right here. There's MOLLE on the side. This is the OD green one. I get asked quite often, how do I travel? I even use this when I go out to certain fields and stuff like that. So shout outs to Voodoo Tactical. I've been using this for quite some time. Definitely check it out. This is the MOJO on wheels. That's the best idea ever.
What?
Hang out by the fan.
Well, it's 105 degrees.
It's pretty hot, not gonna lie.
So flabby. Huh? The hula shirt, guys. Hula skirt.
That's the new loadout. That's the Polynesian Hawaiian loadout.
Right there. Discount 5% every day.
For real?
Yeah.
Explain to the camera why your Orca Industries patch is upside down.
Okay, so milsimjunkie, the best person ever, came over and he flipped my patch upside down, and then I told him I would keep it like that forever and ever.
And then what other advice did milsimjunkie give you that you did not listen to?
To buy some sort of neck protection.
Why?
Because I get shot in the neck a lot.
Take off your mask real quick so we can see you. So
These are my boys from San Francisco.
milsimjunkie.com, baby. So it's a junk. So for my birthday is July 4th. I got the.
Your birthday is legitimately July 4th?
Yeah.
Oh dang! We should
The
call
only
you Freedom.
reason why I'm not getting this on my actual birthday, I'm not gonna be here with the family. I'm gonna be gone. So I got the nice 1911 tack. I love it. It shoots good. Best. milsimjunkie uses it. Go and check this out.
He's actually teary-eyed.
Is he really?
He's seriously. Hold on, stand still.
We were just as big as each other, and he lost some weight too.
Kissy face.
Now show him your guns.
Sorry, I'm taking.
Oh, Mr. Married Man. Show him your guns.
No, the other one.
Oh.
He works out with he has worked out with milsimjunkie, but now he's on his own regiment.
Yeah.
Pick
heavy stuff up, put it back down, and pick it up again.
Yeah, that's a good one. There you go.
Yeah.
Speaking of guns, where are yours?
I don't have any guns, bro.
Come on, bro.
I do.
Show them off.
Oh, Skylar got guns.
See, it's all scripted, man. What happened to the running?
milsimjunkie! Oh my god!
Alright, milsimjunkie Nation. Hey, it's R1S here. I know I've been kind of MIA, and it's with good reason. Allow me to explain. I actually started a new job, so I've been really attacking it full force, and only now have things been really beginning to settle down, and finding my own place there. So it's giving me time to actually edit video that has just been stockpiling up on my desk. I know you guys have been messaging me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and telling me to make a new video. And I apologize, first off, for the folks that have stuck around and continue to watch the videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys' messages, emails, comments, etc. Really fuel me to make sure that the videos get edited and done. And you know, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys who watch the videos. I know I say that a lot, but really they do help. And even if it seems like you guys are bugging me or anything with the plethora of messages, they're not. They're actually just reminding me to get off my butt and edit video. So this one's from late June. I know this has been kind of sitting on my desk. Now that things are starting to settle down at the new job, I'm gonna have a little bit more time to actually play, to enjoy filming you guys as well too, out on the field. That doesn't mean I haven't been busy trying to answer questions, do interviews and stuff like that. You know, I've been definitely active on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, answering questions as fast and as best as I can, because I get tons of it. And that's me, guys, answering your guys' questions. It's just all me. And yeah, man, it's been really busy here at MSJHQ, but I'm, you know, keeping at it, and I'm still here. I'm still gonna be making videos, and I appreciate everybody's support. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'm so sorry that it's taken this long to get up to you guys' faces. But needless to say, to my left and right are the most recent videos, the Broken Home 2 footage, day 1 and day 2. So definitely check those out. There's going to be more coming up. There's more reviews. Behind me is a Magpul PTS that I need to review, courtesy of Airsoft Extreme. I recently got a hold of a new pistol, so I need to review that as well too. So yeah, you know, definitely some things on my desk I need to put out. That being said, you guys stay frosty, you guys stay awesome,